So there are many ways to go ahead and navigate onto your model. So you can go ahead and use the middle mouse scroll button to go ahead and orbit around. You can hold shift to pan it around, zoom it in, and so forth right here. Let's say you want to see it from a human perspective. So let's say, for example, you want to look left, right, up and down right here from a certain location. In that case, you can utilize something called the look around tool. So to do that, you need to go around onto the camera, and over here you can see that look around is an option. And once you do that, the eye actually pops up right here. So if I were to go ahead and click and drag onto the left, you can see that I can see on the left, on the right, on the top right here, as if I'm looking as a human right here. So let's say, for example, if you were to zoom in right here, so you can see that I can go ahead and use the look around to look to the left, look to the right, look to the top right here, and it mimics the human behavior of looking around, just like that. Hence the name look around tool. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the look around tool to look in different directions as you want inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.